Hey guys, welcome back to my channel to chill. I hope you all are good and fine. Today I will talk about the TFA, that is Technology Fundamental Assessment, which is conducted by Accenture. But before that, I would request you to all that please hit like and subscribe button because it feels good and it also gives me motivation to make such type of videos more. So please subscribe this channel. Okay, so let's get started. Today's video is about those who are completing their modules or the people who are waiting for their TFA to head. But if you want to know about the interview experience of Accenture, please go through my interview experiences playlist. I will put that link in description as well. Okay. So today we are going to cover TFA for FSC who have Java modules. Your TFA will held after 46th day or it can be a 46th day or after some time. In my case, I received my mock mail on 46th day. Okay. Now, before TFA, there is a mock which you all have to give. That is mandatory. है ना? That mock is mandatory. You have to give. Point to be noted here is that this mock is different than the mock which you gave during your course. And the next thing is the level of final mock is almost same as TFA. So if you are able to score good in mock, then you are definitely going to score good in TFA. But score of final mock is not important. Information like batch number, slot, how many students are in one batch will be shared to you just before one day for final mock. Okay, and for TFA you will get this information before 2 days. And this is for final mock, and this is for TFA 2 days before. And the test link and the information of proctor will be shared to you before 15 minute of test, before 15 minute. Okay, and so do save the number of proctor, so if you have any problem you can contact to him or her, whatever it is, whatever he is. So this is and one thing you have to note that hands-on and MCQs are separate exams, and there is a live proctor. So your all activities are recorded and are supervised by those live proctors. Be cautious before any malpractice if you are doing. MCQs will be on metal platform, 50 questions and 1.5 hours. Hands-on will be either on TechStack Editor or Eclipse IDE. Okay. And now, if we talk about the difficulty level, I believe that MCQs are not that hard. And if you have listened your entire modules, you can solve those. MCQs are very basic, so you just have to listen your modules. Okay. And if we talk about the hands-on, then I will say that it totally depends on your luck, what kind of questions you get. In my case, the question was not tough, but some get questions on topic like collections and JUnit. So if you're not good in that part, it will be little tough for you. Okay. And in my case, I got the regular expression and in oops in Java, and in spring I got annotations based question, and second one is XML. Okay, so these are choice we are given, so we have to choose one questions. And now I will discuss the topics. uh, Most of the time you will get your topics, your questions in that topic as well. Like in Java you have to prepare collections, JUnit, string string regular expression, oops concept, and JDBC. Less chance of JDBC, but still you prepare, so good for you if you prepare. Okay, and in spring you have to just write the annotations and business logic, and any other things are already written, so not to worry about that. Okay, the test batches will be divided into two parts, batch 1 and batch 2, and the timing will be 10 to 1:30 and 2:30 to 6. So between MCQs and hands on you will get 30 minutes, gap of 30 minutes. Okay, so you can take break in that 30 minutes, like washroom or drinking water or anything to eat, or if you have to revise something, so that you can do in that 30 minutes. And if you have any, if you face any difficulty like SCB is not opening or ID card is not verifying, try to contact to your proctor. They will help you. Okay. And one thing is here, if you have any trouble, then it is sure that you will going to start your test late. So do not worry. In that case, you will get your full time, even if you start little late. And every information provided to you through mails. So be active on your mail. And results will be out in 4 to 6 days. Okay. So do not worry about your joining. Your TFA will not affect your joining, and even if you fail in two TFA, your offer will not be terminated. And it can be possible that your TFA will be held after your joining. And if but if you have failed in all attempts, then your offer will be terminated. Okay, so keep that in mind. So there are some tips or tricks which will ease your journey. For MCQ, study your module as much as you can, because these are very basics in TFA. For hands-on, prepare any of the two topics in Java. Like in most of the case, collections and JUnit will come together. So you have to prepare either JUnit or collection, and regular expression and OOPS will come together. Okay. And do complete your courses and take mock seriously. After mock, you will receive your TFA very soon. So don't think I will prepare after my final mock. You will get TFA mail within 2 or 3 days of mock. So that's it for today. And if you have any doubt, feel free to comment below. And guys, please, if you have watched this video this far, please hit the subscribe button and like button. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Take care.